Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by giving the phone permissions so floating windows can appear. Go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Special App Access, and allow display over other apps. This prevents blocked pop-ups. Once done, open the app you want to float and keep it active. Then open Recent Apps. You will use the app's icon or card to open the floating option. Do this now so the system has permission and the target app is loaded into memory for instant floating behavior. Now you transform the app into a floating window. In Recent Apps, tap the app icon or long press its card, then choose Open in Floating Window or Pop-up View. This creates the movable overlay. Once the window appears, drag the top bar to reposition it and drag corners to resize. This gives you a small player or messaging bubble while you continue other tasks. Make sure to use the top right control to maximize or pin. This keeps the float usable during heavy finish by deciding how you want the floating window to behave. You can pin it for persistent access or minimize to a small bubble that reopens with a tap, close with the X when done. If the floating window refuses to open, make sure Display over Other Apps permission is still enabled, force stop and relaunch the app, and if necessary reboot the phone. This resolves most permission or memory conflicts. Once fixed, repeat the Recent App steps, and the float should work normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.